Understanding, standing arm in arm. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase in the English language, standing arm in arm. This phrase is not just about physical posture but carries a deeper meaning of unity, support, and togetherness. Let's explore together how and when to use it. When we say two or more people are standing arm in arm, we are describing a physical position where individuals stand side by side, with their arms linked at the elbow. This position is a universal sign of closeness and solidarity. It visually represents the bond and support between the individuals involved. Beyond its literal meaning, standing arm in arm conveys a powerful message of unity and support. It symbolizes people coming together to support each other, showing a united front in the face of challenges or celebrations. This phrase can be used metaphorically to describe any act of solidarity or mutual support, even if people are not physically standing together. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life contexts, let's look at some examples. The community members were standing arm in arm at the rally, showing their unbreakable bond. Despite their differences, the two leaders were seen standing arm in arm as a sign of peace. The family stood arm in arm at the wedding, celebrating the joyous occasion together. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be used to describe both physical and metaphorical situations of unity and support. Standing arm in arm is a beautiful expression of unity, support, and togetherness. Whether used literally to describe a physical stance or metaphorically to convey solidarity, this phrase enriches our language with its deep meaning. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use standing arm in arm confidently in your conversations and writings. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you learn more about the English language in our upcoming videos.